Welcome back to Ayaz Tech. In this video, you are going to learn how to create a YouTube playlist in your YouTube channel or YouTube account. First of all, click on this top right icon and click on the YouTube Studio. And then here you need to click on the playlist section. And on the top right, you will see new playlist button. Just click on that. And in this input, type the title for your playlist. I'm going to type testing. And at here, you need to decide if you want to make it public or private. If you make it private, then obviously this playlist is not going to be visible to any of the person in the world except you. So for right now, I want to make it public. So let's just click on the create button and wait. You will see that this playlist has been created. Now just click on that playlist and you will be on the landing page of this playlist. From here, you can see you can add description and other information. For example, here I want to add some description like this playlist is just for the testing purpose. And here you have the share icon that you can use to share it to the public. You can edit the title if you want. And other than that, in this drop down, you have options to make it private if you want to. And other than that, you have the playlist setting. Here you can decide if you want to allow embedding. So if you allow it, then anybody can embed this playlist in their websites. And also add new videos to the top of the playlist. If you turn it on, then as soon as you upload a new video, that video would automatically be uploaded or added into this playlist. So also you can see if you can set as official series for this playlist if you want to turn on, it's up to you. So now you can see we don't have any videos in this playlist yet. So let's add some videos. Click on this button, click on the add videos, and from here you can search videos from the YouTube. You can add any video in the world, or you can add a specific video from the URL, or you can add your own YouTube videos from your own channel. So here you can see these videos are coming from a YouTube channel. I can add any, you can select one or more than one if you want to. So suppose I have selected 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 videos. So also it is telling you here that 6 videos are selected. So now I'm going to check if this playlist is publicly visible or not. So I'm going to open incognito window where I don't have this YouTube account session active. So here you can see that as a public, I have access to this playlist and I have access to all of these videos that I can access from here. And now if you go back to your playlist setting area and if you try to make it private, you would notice that this would make this playlist private immediately to that public user. So you can see I don't have access to this playlist anymore. So this is how you can make your playlist private and public. And if it is public, you can see it again. And if you go back to the channel, you will see it listed there as well. For example, I'm going to find it here. Here you can see that this testing playlist is visible here. So I hope that this video is helpful for you. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell icon to get notified for all of my upcoming videos. Thank you for watching. See you later in the next video. Bye.